So right now Nike has a sale where you can get $30 off of $150. So I ended up buying this pair of sneakers right here. And let's go ahead and show you guys what I got. What is going on, guys? Hess here, collectivekicks.com. If you guys want to shop this week's top sneaker deals that I've posted for you guys, check the link in the description and happy shopping. That will include all of the deals that I found from Nike.com. Again, $30 off of $150. It doesn't sound like a huge savings, but it counts on pretty much the entire site. There are some exclusions, but for the most part, any shoe that you guys might have wanted that was at full retail is now $30 off with the code SPORT30. The sale ends on 5/12, and this is US only as far as I know. But anyways, this is what I bought from the sale, and I had it shipped overnight so I could let you guys know this sale a little bit earlier instead of having to wait till the last minute before the sale's over. So if you guys are finding out about the sale and you guys like some of the deals or you end up buying some, leave a comment in the comment section what you ended up getting. I always like to see what deals you guys find as well. I try to curate this site as best I could for the deals that I like, but you know, that doesn't capture everything. So that being said, let's go ahead and take a look and see what we have here. This is actually my first look at these in person for this colorway, so I'm excited to see what we got. And I can't believe how fast it was for overnight. So it was $15 to have this shipped overnight instead, so I really didn't say that much because I was trying to show you guys that. So if you guys like that I shipped it overnight, give the video a thumbs up. But this is the Nike React Element 87. Retail is normally $160, meaning that you could get these right now shipped for $130. And if you think about it, that's a pretty good price. So this is the colorway I got. Yeah, man. So if you follow me on Twitter, you guys will already know that I picked these ones up. This is the one that I really was interested in because it really had a lot of pop to it. It was kind of a cool like camo type colorway with some really cool neon accents to the shoe, but then it had that really bright red Nike swoosh which sold me on it, little hits of red on the shoe also. But this is a little bit different than the other Element Reacts that I've seen. You could see that it has a little bit of an overlay, kind of like a camo print all over the upper, which I thought was pretty rad. And it looks like it extends over top of the Nike swoosh as well right here, so that's pretty cool. I didn't realize that from the pictures, but this is one that I could see myself rocking spring and summer, so I'm like, this will be what I buy. $130 I thought was a really good price. And if you haven't tried the Element React, they do fit true to size in my opinion. I went half a size up on my original pair and it was too big, so true to size is definitely a better deal. It's a really cool shoe though, and the React Element 87 is kind of like the higher end version. The 55 is the lower end version. And the hype was really big on this shoe last year, and this year it's like died down now that you can buy them in different colorways. But the colorways that they have available on Nike.com are pretty good. Right now they had 4 colorways that I saw, and this was the one that spoke out to me. So let's give you guys a quick overview of the shoe, but first look at the colors on the box. It says this is Nike React Element 87, retail $160, and again I went true to size with the 9.5. Medium olive and bright crimson color on the box. So medium olive is what they're calling this, and I like the olive tones. I think it's a nice vibe to the shoe, and then you have the black overlay over top of it. There's lots of different layers on the React Element 87. Over the laces though, you have a black overlay and a little hit of neon, and then there's a little patch in the middle where the laces go through. In the very front of the shoe here, there's a nice little leather panel of olive, and the lace comes through with the olive and white laces. As you look around the upper, there's little dashes, like literally little dashes of extra hits of neon, which I think is kind of cool. Underneath the laces here, there's actually another little underlay of neon here, and then also neon on the back with a reflective strip on the pull tab. You also get reflective hits on the lace holes here. Red Nike swoosh branding on the front, as well as a big swoosh along the side, and the other hit of red right here on the side, which is kind of cool. And then you have a Nike swoosh on the back of the pull tab there. And for the corners of the tongue, you can see it says Nike React in red, and then it has the little pinwheels of the Nike swoosh right here, along with some extra hits of that neon. You do have a premium cork insole with a Nike swoosh, and it says Nike React on the inside, and then the tag is actually on the bottom of the shoe here. If you guys haven't seen my reviews of the 87s yet, go ahead and check those out. But the React midsole is really soft. I think that right now the sale is really pretty decent, 30% off online, pretty much anything over $150. Nike employee store is only 40% off in store, but it's obviously 40% off of everything. But 30% off of big ticket items is not too far off from 40%, and it's free shipping if you have a Nike Plus account. And the Nike Plus accounts are free, so it's kind of a no-brainer to have one if you don't. But that's what I bought, man. I mean, this is what I chose out of the entire site. Looking over the site for hours, I decided which item am I gonna buy, and this was the one that had the most value to me, that was definitely worth it. But there's a whole bunch of things that you could find on the website, and this is the one that definitely stuck out the most to me. But what do you guys think of the Nike sale? Is it something you guys are interested in or not? I always like it when I find great deals on sale, and this one I was excited to get my hands on. So in hand, on feet, I think that these are pretty dope, and happy with my purchase. But leave a comment, let me know what you guys think about the Element React 87. Is it worth the $130 price point versus $160? And thank you again for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new to the channel. Notification bell to be notified of when the videos go live. And just so you guys know, I will have a review of these coming up. I got a pair of the KDs here, and I just haven't done a review on them yet. It's in progress, so expect a video on those and a couple other things in the works. So thank you guys for stopping by and watching. Have a great rest of the day, and more videos soon. Peace, guys.